It is impossible not to be astonished by India. It is a rare place where humanity presents itself in a vibrant burst of cultures and religions, race and language, literature and arts. Every region of India has its own distinct and unique color. Yet, India finds its completeness through its diversity. This evening's program Samanvaya will allow us to travel through different regions of India using dance and music to explore its culture. As is traditional, the opening item gives an artistic offering to the divine, the source of all creation. Representing the diversity of the Indian subcontinent, this item will present Indian classical art forms including Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Odissi and Manipuri. Although distinctive, each of these art forms find a beautiful harmony or samanvaya through rhythm and melody. Kerala. Hill stations, waterfalls, backwaters, green coastlines and religious festivals. Malayalam is the language of the southern tip of India. Mohiniyattam, the dance style of Kerala, uses graceful and rhythmic body movements to show the artist's devotion to the divine. This item depicts Kerala's beautiful swaying coconut trees, the region's farming cultural roots and religious celebrations including the famous boat races. Kerala, God's own country. Andhra Pradesh is the home of many religious pilgrim centers such as Tirupati, sacred hills and caves. Influenced by Sanskrit, Telugu is one of the most beautifully scripted native languages of India. Kuchipudi is the dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Elegant footwork is a main feature in Kuchipudi. The art form is famous for incorporating complicated original footwork. The dancer places her feet on a circular brass tray, balancing a brass water pot delicately on the head. The following item presents Jagadananda Karaka, the most popular composition by Saint Tyagaraja, a famous member of the Carnatic Trinity. Andhra Pradesh, the Kohinoor of India. Goa. Renowned for its golden beaches, places of worship, world-famous architecture, Goa has rich flora and fauna, agriculture, and a coastal lifestyle that attracts numerous tourists throughout the year. In the Goan art forms, the rhythm is taken from the local dance styles and the music is obtained from the hilly regions of the Western Ghats. The following item depicts how Goan fishermen have passion for their rich coastal lifestyle. Yet they never forget that the sea goddess is source of all their prosperity. Goa, life in harmony with waves and sand. One of the major manifestations of art is in the form of devotion. Many Indian Catholics have great devotion to the Blessed Mother Mary. Our Lady of Good Health, also known as Our Lady of Velamkanni, is a popular Roman Catholic title for the Blessed Mary. Believed to have appeared in the town of Velamkanni, Tamil Nadu, an apparition of Mother Mary carrying baby Jesus requested for some milk to an impoverished boy who usually sold milk in the local neighborhoods. This was only one of the first apparitions where Mother Mary came to help the people of Velamkanni. A basilica was erected by Portuguese and Indians at the site of this miraculous event. The iconic depiction of Madonna is also unique since it is only one of the two icons where Mother Mary is portrayed wearing traditional Indian sari. Velamkanni, Our Lady of Good Health. Who would have ever imagined that such eternal love would evolve out of a desert-like land? The Taj Mahal, a vision in white marble, the symbol of love that Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan gave to the world, stands as his testimony for love, his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Taj Mahal means crown palace, and it is in fact the most well-preserved and architecturally beautiful tomb in the world. Shah Jahan desired to give Taj Mahal as a symbol of spirituality, purity, and harmony. It is not just a monument of grace and beauty. It is a message to all mankind that eternal love is the soul of life. The Taj Mahal, a poem in white marble. Rajasthan is a land of relics, heritage and sand dunes. Relying on India's ancient culture, Rajasthan's music and dance focuses on uncomplicated daily rituals in life. Depicting the colorful culture of Rajasthan, their clothes have a lot of mirror work and elaborate embroidery. The following item depicts Rajasthani women celebrating the victory of their heroes. Rajasthan, the land of kings and deserts. Punjab, prominent and influential. It is the birthplace of many religious movements. Some of the prominent ones include Sikhism, Buddhism, and many Sufi schools of Islam, including the Golden Temple of Amritsar. In Punjab, they say the more you give, the love increases and multiplies, and you get back many more times the kindness you have given. A participatory community dance known as Bhangra comes from the northern regions of Punjab. Although a seasonal dance, it has become popular worldwide and is seen at weddings, festivals and fairs. Punjab, the smiling face of India. Maharashtra, a land of untouched forts, caves and temples. Ganesha Chaturthi is a very prominent festival in Maharashtra involving clay idols of Ganesha. Ganesha is worshipped in homes for 10 days. On the 11th day, the Ganesha statue is taken into the streets with a procession including music and dance to be immersed in river or sea, symbolizing his journey to his abode in Kailash. This item describes the rituals and traditions of Maharashtra during Ganesha Chaturthi. Maharashtra, the land of unlimited experiences.